Welcome to the Autohaus Hamilton TV Travel Spectacular. Earlier this month, Grant and I headed off to Frankfurt for Auto Mechanika. The city of Frankfurt has been the location of trade fairs for over 800 years. With 800 years to work at being a trade fair centre, some of these trade fairs are absolutely massive. There are specialist trade fairs for the wedding industry, light and sound, music, book publishing, textiles, chemical engineering, architecture. Even Christmas gets its own trade fair. As you might imagine, finding local accommodation is difficult during these fairs. Finding room at the inn is especially difficult during the Christmas fair. Auto Mechanika is absolutely mind-boggling. Over 4,800 exhibitors lay out their wares for 133,000 visitors in almost 370,000 square meters of hall space. Exhibitor stands are anything from a bored-looking person sitting at a desk to enormous, magnificently illuminated, multi-story constructions with product demonstrations, meeting rooms, workshop simulations, armies of corporate representatives, and private catering facilities. To catch the eye, some stands had, well, eye-catching personnel. Darth Vader selling engine spares, and girls in body paint selling, I'm not sure what they were selling, but I ordered several pallet loads. Thank you, Harvey Weinstein. And freebies, so many freebies. Bajillions of ballpoint pens, baseball caps, lanyards, tiny bags of Haribo bears, even disposable wheeled suitcases logoed to the gills. And many exhibitors ready to hand over brochures, CD catalogues, and yes, freebies, in exchange for your all-important business card. The range of products on display is staggering. If it is linked to the automotive industry, somebody will be selling it. From washers to enormous engine blocks via hand tools, machine tools, specialist rigs for washing and storing wheels, and hoists for everything from motorcycles to touring buses. Concepts for electrically drive systems and autonomous vehicle operation, right down to custom in-car air freshener flavors and software to look up parts diagrams and part manufacturers. It was all being displayed, demoed and spruiked. Being in Germany, it would have been wrong not to stop by the Porsche Museum, which included this absolutely mind-blowing exhibit of competition cars.
Where were we?
Come to my yippee yippee I yippee I come to my yippee yippee I come to my yippee yippee I yippee I come to my yippee yippee I.
It sure is peaceful out here on the range.
And being in Germany, there was beer and sausage. But I'm only going to show you a picture of the beer.